Okay, clear ah? See? Ah. Okay.
Okay, so survey. So have we encountered allergy attacks in our plant?
Experience. Have experience. Some. Ano ba, hindi gana?
For individual,
Atong
siguro.
narin ang eyes. Matapit pa. Ang eyes. Narin. Under. Maana ang water.
So for individual person, yes. Pero sa plant na to is wala. Okay. So allergens. Hindi sila wala may ano.
Skip din ako, sir. Di sila pala yung pangalan.
So 8 major allergens. So ako nagmugna-mugna ko naman.
Specific na siya.
I-skipper na sir ako na na. Parang acronym para sa allergens.
Okay. Good lines.
Ako na. So first is fish. So almost all kinds of fishes causes allergy. Next, crustaceans or shellfish. Next, soy. Ginagawang toyo. Soya beans.
Soya.
Taho.
Taho.
Next is peanut. Then wheat. So,
Wheat.
flour. Ginagawang flour. So, bread ingredients. Sauces. Next is eggs.
Only sa toaster. That's not an egg. Only sa toaster.
Next is milk. Milk.
Milk. Nasa mama. Sa animal.
And last one is tree nuts.
Peanuts. Different kinds of peanut.
Tree nuts, almonds, pistachios,
Almonds. I-mix sa chocolate.
flavorings sa ice cream.
Or sa ice cream.
So those are 8 major allergens. Wala ako.
Yung parang
Okay, so allergens. So there are less than 120 foods that causes allergy. So but there some countries identify especially the US identified only 8 major allergens, but there are plenty of foods that causes allergy. Okay, so limited number considered as public health concern. Foods most commonly causing serious allergic reactions worldwide are cereals containing gluten, milk, egg, tree nuts, peanuts, soybeans, fish, and crustaceans. Mga shells. Shrimps, crabs,
crabs.
mollusks. Allergen labeling requirements. Most countries require labeling of the common allergy-causing foods. Foods causing allergy differ between geographical region. Okay, say for example, here in our country, we do not encounter most people na may allergy sa peanuts. But in the US, most of the Americans na may allergy sa peanuts. Ayan, okay. Some countries have additional foods which must be declared as allergens. So as I've said a while ago, in the US, they declared 8 major allergens, but in European Union, so they declared 14. So, additional to that, in European Union is mustard, salad dressings, yes, and sesame seeds,
Sa become black or white.
and lupin. Lupin, familiar?
Gluten.
Lupin.
Ah.
Lupin. L-U-P-I-N.
L-U-P-I-N. So, different kinds. I-mix yung sa food.
Yes.
Ano lang?
Celery.
Celery. Green.
Vegetable green.
Para sa juice. Or para sa food.
Mga dressing.
Ah.
So, which allergens do we handle? Do you handle in your site? So, in our case, we handle crabs. So, crabs belong to crustaceans. So, Food Safety, Food Standards Agency Incident Report in 2013. So, 91 allergen alerts in 2013. First significant drop since records started in 2006. So, maybe because ang consumer is aware na sila sa food allergens. So, that's why here in the table, during 2006, so that's ang cases, then nisaka siya pagka 2014, then 2013, aware na ang mga tao na may awareness about allergen. So, nidrop siya in 2013. So, Food Safety Agency recall. So, it does not include the withdrawals. And not reported to Food Safety Agencies. And Allergen Contamination at Manufacturing. The real figure likely to be much higher. So, cost of product recalls. It also includes tangible and intangible things. So, there is recall that happens, say for example, with allergen contamination. So, there will be a waste of product. Of course, it will be destructed, right? Contaminated. And loss of confidence for the company and for the management. And loss of sales. Siyempre, hindi na siya mabibili. Then, fines. Magbabayad pa sa mga victim na nagka-allergy. And of course, syempre po may mga fines, may mga claims. So, mag-i-increase yung insurance cost. And, or worse, injury or fatality or death. So, pag nangyari yung tinatawag nating anaphylaxis. So, let's go to labeling karamihan yung product. Then, meron ding retailer. So, yung retailer, gagawin niya, ipapack niya ng maliliit na pack. So, pag hindi niya alam na yung ginamit niya is na packaging is already contaminated with allergen. Cross-packing issues and cross-contamination issues. So, halos almost the same. Pero, example ng cross-contamination issues sa plant. So, di ba gumagamit tayo ng plastic? Gumagamit kami sir ng plastic sa molding pan. Sa molding pan. Then, say for example, hindi kayo nahugas ng kamay, diretso na diretso sa product. Tapos kumain pala, nakalimutan yung kumain kayo ng peanut. So, that's cross-contamination. Yes. Okay, so, mga alerts, mga balita. So, recall of gluten-free product due to presence of gluten. Okay, so gluten. What is gluten? Gluten is the protein present in wheat, barley, and rye, R-Y-E. So, familiar na sila. So, in October 6, 2015, reported siya in October 6, 2015. So, in August 6, 2015, there's a recall of strawberry cheesecakes because they contain trefoil, which has egg as an ingredient. So, eggs and allergen.
Di, tawas lang kay case man akong design. Ana, dahil strawberry, kuha mga strawberry. Ang size ng strawberry, ana, dahil katong red ba, from Baguio. The same. From Baguio, or Bingit na. Ang red.
Okay, so, in May 22, 2015, there's a recall of product, dried cranberries, as they contain sulfur dioxide, not declared on the label. So, please labeling.
So, so recall, meaning, i-return
Return
ang
sa
products.
manufacturer.
Katong
ng
cake,
product.
gold na. I-return. So, sayang ang money. Food, wala na tao. Ready. Return mo na kaya. Careful. Sa cream, berries, na mugro sa Philippines. Other countries.
Other countries. Okay, so sulfur dioxide is present in preserved fruits
Sulfur dioxide,
or
present,
sulfides.
present siya kay para ma-reserve ang fruit. Sa color na yellow na, no? Sulfur.
Sulfur dioxide.
White na niya pa na siya. Basta mix para ma-reserve ang fruit. Dugay ma daot sa upa. Dugay malata.
Okay, so classifications of reactions to food. Baka explanation. Okay, so aversion. Version is avoidance. So, let's focus on abnormal reaction. That's the allergy and intolerance. And aversion, so you cannot eat the food. Avoidance or avoidance. Okay, while intolerance, pwede ko bukaon, pero in minimal amount. So, kung food allergy, minsan mo pwede bukaon. Then, next, here. In food intolerance, there's metabolic defect. So, example ng food intolerance there is celiac disease. Celiac disease. So, a person with celiac disease, so ang iyong small intestine is not capable of digesting gluten. So, gluten is the protein present in wheat, barley, and rye. So, okay, so let's go to allergy, food allergy. So, there's a sensitization that will happen in the body pag nangyari ang allergy. So, mga rashes. Yes. So, difficulty in breathing, redness. Yes.
Red.
And swelling. Swelling. Yes. So, sensitization example, kasapat sila sa nahitabo during allergy. So, ang nangyayari during allergy, say, let's make an analogy. Say, for kining IgE, the IgE antibodies nato that fights ng mga foreign matter na enter sa atong body. So akala ng IgE, yung protein na pumasok sa atong lawas, Tagalog ng is bad. So nagto siyang bad. So that's why iya tong i-fight. So where it's supposed to be, di man niya i-fight kay protein man to. So since wala niya na-recognize, nagto siyang foreign, i-fight niya. So, syempre, pag may fight man nahitabo, okay. So, ang mangyayari, yung mga tissues natin, magsuswell. Yun. So, magpuproduce siya ng redness ng skin, hives, yan, yung magpuproduce. So, what is food intolerance? So, food intolerance is a negative reaction to food. So, it's related to lack of enzymes or chemicals to digest certain foods in the body. Lack of enzymes. Next is reaction to certain chemicals in the food. Reaction by body to food consumed. No immune system response. So, the difference ng food intolerance and food allergy, ang food intolerance, wala'y involved na immune system. Kulang lang siya enzyme. So while in food allergy, there is an immune system involved or response. Typically, of course, food intolerance typically occurs if larger amounts of food is consumed.
example ba, yung anniversary, yan, na may ting control, yan, ano pa dito, mawal pa dito, sa home, kasi man. Anniversary, kay free raman.
So that is very intolerance. Body usually unable to produce particular chemical reaction to break down the food. So that is because of lack of enzymes.
So, tell na to nga, if natural lang yung eat, so control naman ka na yung mga mani, but if pista or other nga friend nga birthday, ayaw mo natin, intolerance. Dangerous siya, kaya natama ka na doon. Mamix. Basta yung magsakit. Sakit na. Ayaw mo control. Oh.
Okay, common food intolerances. Lactose.
Milk, no?
Yes.
Oh,
Sugar and milk. So
Milk.
that is lactose.
So, inig mo drink ka og milk, not ka, inig mo, sisig sa water, not natural.
If you have intolerance to
If you
milk,
have intolerance. So, fine lang, mo drink ka milk, fine lang, yan. Mo, others, wala. Only water. Only water. Oo na. If happen, so not na mo drink o milk. Not mo drink o milk. Kaya against man sa imong body. Natural.
wala ka enzymes na degrade. So, celiac disease.
Celiac disease.
Gluten
Atong
intolerance.
filtra ang atong intestine.
Yes.
Kanat difficult same sa machine.
Dili ma-digest. Dili ma-digest
The same like a
ang gluten. Yes. So, madami siya. Mga villi. Sa sulit sa small intestine.
Sa small,
If you have this celiac disease.
if have celiac disease. Different one.
Okay. Skip man gyapon Okay, so phenylketonuria
About disease yapo.
disease. Phenylketonuria or the PKU. So, sa mga sakit na sir ng baby.
Disease of the babies.
Okay, so,
Difficult if milk naman sa baby. Kung ipakaw nito hard na food. Wala.
so this is can be inherited from the parents.
From the parents to the children. Generation.
So, ang patients na may phenylketonuria, wala siya ay phenylalanine amino acid.
Wala siya. Difficult yung design niya. Acid niya for
Acid na lang or protein.
protein. Needed sa body. Example ang aditing sa lang. Kanang food aditing ba? Kanang muad siya lang, sa sugar ba or sa nga.
Sugar is dili man siya ka, ano sir, ka,
Pero kanang food aditing
ano,
siya
mga intolerances na food additives.
So nasa
Na food additives na may mga taong may food intolerance.
So other people not for them. Muna yung punto, bahay mo tanaw ni mo ang label mo natin yung name, tanaw mo rin. Hindi, wala may rin. Ala rin, open, kato. Kaya doon na. Okay, next.
Okay, so symptoms of food intolerance.
So what happened? What happened to them, maybe happened to your family. So, difficult. Labi na baby. See, once I out, you exercise. Again, sir. Okay, good man, bad man. Not man. Pati na bahay ka po sa katong nag-sale diha, kana na no clean. Kana vendors ba? Vendors. Nag-sale diha, tusok-tusok. O pagka-tuslog. That's their thing. Same like. Mabulot ko eh. Bloating.
Abdominal bloating.
Bloating.
Abdominal
Meaning,
pain.
bulot. Bulot siya. Tapos, sakit na rin. Huwag na rin.
Okay, so allergy. Allergy occurs when the immune system reacts adversely to food substance that is harmless to most people. Pero kung wala kayo allergy, okay ah. Okay, so anaphylaxis is the severe allergic reaction. Pwede siyang mag-cause of death. Cure. Or swelling of the face and lips.
Lips. Pag-ibig sa food, allergy man. So, yan na siya na rin. In this white, more na siya na rin. Pati na kay face. So dangerous. Kaya natin maising nga masing. If money, go pa hospital.
So, pag nag-swell na,
If happen,
pag nag-swell, ang throat,
dali kay inatang ginawa. Anating sa very difficult.
swelling of throat and mouth. So, maswell pa na mga tissues
Other nga mga nerve. Group
sa air passage.
sa air.
So, that's why, ang mahitaw po sunod is restriction of airways. So, difficulty in breathing. Hindi nakaka-breathe. Okay, so weakness. Ganyan na ka. Okay, lightheadedness. So, unconscious. So, ano siya? Or it will result to death or serious long-term health issues. So, that's anaphylaxis.
Anaphylaxis.
Severe allergic reaction.
Outside. See.
Picture.
So that is
Okay, so definition of food allergen. Food allergen is a form of food intolerance associated with a hypersensitive immune response